40 by 40 hip FutureTrac frame installation. Begin by laying out the complete frame. Assemble the Keder rafter arch beginning with the crown cluster. Attach the 4-foot rafter brace bar. Attach the intermediate brackets into the end of the Keder rafters. The scissor truss cables are best attached at the perimeter first, then attaching the short legs of the cables to the rafters near the brace bar. Fastest system of its kind on the market. Place the first 2 hip poles onto the cluster with the arch laying flat. Attach the end rafter and raise the arch into position. Add the hip connector brackets to the end of the hip pole and complete with the lower half of the hip pole. Engineered frame and incredibly strong. Assemble the perimeter poles. Add hip braces and pin into position at intermediate and hip connector. Machine to eye ends for durability. TopTec original hip brace design is the fastest on the market. Add hip poles to the second side of the Keder rafters. Add hip poles and end rafter to the second side of the Keder rafters, repeating the steps from the first half. Raise the frame as discussed in the 30 by 45 FutureTrac video.